Hey, what is up, Pyros? I hope that you all had a good Thanksgiving break. And what do you know? We're weeks away from Christmas and New Year's. So I might be a little bit early, but I'm going to go ahead and start wiring up my New Year's show. It's not going to be large, but it'll probably be quick and loud. And this time I'm going to pick some of my favorite items from previous shows. The first thing I'm going to do is start with this pack of 1,000 firecrackers. I don't know. I might do this like half an hour before New Year's. Get people a little fired up. Next, I'm going to go into this little pack. It's pretty good. Is 15 shots a piece, 200 grams. Each one is 15 shots, 15 seconds. I fired 2 of these for the 4th. Just a quick little look. They're pretty heavy. So like Star Spangled Banner for brocade with white, green, and gold strobe, purple, blue, yellow, finale with crackle. So these are pretty neat cakes. I fired 2 of these for, again, 4th. Let's see what 2 of those look like. The next item, I might actually start off the show with these 5 cakes here. These are from, again, the Great American Fireworks Company, and 200 grams. So I've got Old Glory, Mount Rushmore, From Sea to Shining Sea. Let's see what we got here. Silicon Valley, and what is this thing? Great American Revolution. So I will have these 5. It will probably go first. So let's see what a few of those look like from last year. So I have never fired this cake. It is from World Class. 30 shots, and it's fast. I think it is 15 seconds. So the videos I've seen online look pretty neat. I'm gonna kind of start warming up people to the finale, but I don't know where I'll put this. But anyway, this is going up during the show. Next is Jaws from Cutting Edge. Let's take a quick look at that. And it is 9 shots, as you can see. Looks like a 2-inch bore. So right after that, we're gonna go into American Creed from the SFX company, and it is 12 shots. Believe it or not, it does look like 2-inch bores, but let's go ahead and take a look. It is 4. Let's see, 3 banks of 4, and you will see a lot of red, white, and blue. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Next, I'm going to fire simultaneously 2 of these cakes, again from SFX, and they are 24 shots a piece. So I'm gonna fire these simultaneously. It is Blue Mind with Sizzling Palm and Red Strobe. So 48 shots and 10 seconds. So this will be kind of my warm-up to the finale. Let's see what one cake looks like from last year. And then last but not least, I will have this 36 shot rack that I built, and I will be shooting this SFX. It is Hammer Thunder. It is a 4-inch shell, but my god, it is loud. So here's what, teal and yellow dahlia with white strobe. So I will put all 36 shots of this guy. I might add a rack or 2 when we're done, but let's see what a 36 shot looks like from this guy. So anyway, I think that's what I'll do so far. I might change my mind and add some things and move some things around, but that's probably going to be my New Year's show. Please comment, subscribe, would appreciate the support, and I hope you'll have a Merry Christmas, and I will post a video of the New Year's show once I get a chance. But take care and see you all later. Bye.